Now for a new rule by the Environment Ministry, which under animal cruelty laws has now banned the sale of cattle for slaughter across the country. So no matter where you live, whether it's in Kerala or in West Bengal or in some parts of the northeast, where earlier you could get buffalo meat, now that is likely to come to an end. States like Kerala are already protesting, since laws on cattle is a state subject and they feel the centre is infringing. The move could also cripple the meat export industry. According to some estimates, 90% of supplies for slaughterhouses and the meat industry come from cattle markets where cattle is sold for slaughter. And what about farmers, many are asking? How will they cope? What about the income they earn from selling their cattle for slaughter?
Soon, regardless of where you live, you may not be able to buy beef or even buffalo. Why? Because of new rules which ban the sale of cattle for slaughter across the country. Until now, the sale of cattle at markets was without conditions for farming. Under existing old laws, milch cattle could not be sold for slaughter. But new rules by the Environment Minister says that sale of cattle, and this includes camel, cannot be for slaughter, only for agricultural purposes. It also says people who buy cattle at markets will also have to give an undertaking that the cattle will not be slaughtered.
जो एनिमल्स के प्रति क्रूएलिटी होने की संभावना होती है किसी भी स्तर पर, उसको और ज़्यादा सुदृढ़ करने के संदर्भ में बनाए हैं.
The reason is bizarre. These rules come under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, which should be applied to all animals. In India, states have the right to regulate and form their own laws regarding beef. Hence, it's allowed in West Bengal, Kerala and parts of the northeast.
But this could override that.
Animal husbandry എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അവിടെ കേന്ദ്ര ഗവൺമെന്റ് നിരോധനം ഏർപ്പെടുത്തുന്നത് ശരിയില്ല. അതാണ് സംസ്ഥാനങ്ങൾക്ക് തീരുമാനിക്കാവുന്ന വിഷയമാണ്. ബീഫ് കഴിക്കുന്നവർക്ക് അവരവർക്ക് ആണ് തീരുമാനിക്കുന്നത് ബീഫ് കഴിക്കണോ വേണ്ടോ എന്നുള്ളതിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ച്.
The order a shock for the meat industry.
इतने जानवर जो बाजार में जो जानवर जो लेके आके किसान जो सेल करते हैं, ये बिल्कुल वो लोग परेशान हो जाएंगे. बंद करने से, जानवर खरीदने से, सेल करने से, लेने से जो ना बेरोजगार हो जाएंगे लोग.
The centre may have found a backdoor way of bringing in a nationwide beef ban, but a legal challenge to it may be in the offing. With Uma Sudhir and Alok Pandey, in New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.